Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to set up and manage color palettes in Canva. Awesome. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva web application, which of course I've done right here. So this is my homepage, really sweet and amazing. So how do I set up and manage color palettes, all right, for let's say for optimized design processes? So first off, you're going to have to open up the editing suite, or let's say the design window, editing window, or the Canva editor. What did I do? I just clicked on the recent design just to get in here easily. So this is a design that I am currently working on. Nice, right? By the way, I customized the watermark myself. You can check out previous video content to get how to do this watermark thing. All right, so this is it. So we're here. So how do we set up and manage color palettes in Canva? So from this design, I'm just going to have to head over to, so here you have design and you have styles in addition to it, right? So you have recently used, and then you have combinations, you have color palettes, you have font sets, all right, and you have recent designs. Okay, so let's head over to color palettes because that's what we want to use. So head over here to click on see all. So you have a host of color palettes that you can definitely use, or you can definitely choose. So let's say this one, and by this one, like click on that, and let's see what it did to this design. All right, I'm going to click on the next. Okay. So click on the next one too. Like that. So you can see all the colors are just entering manually. So you can choose this other one and see the changes. You will definitely find the changes. It should look, I'm clicking on this. You can see that changed too. Click on this. And click on this. Oh, there are a lot of options here. This is even another one. Yeah, so go ahead and choose right from top to bottom. Choose any color palette that's just going to suit your design. You can choose color palette creative, fun, lively, bold, whichever one that you want, and come on, you're good to go. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom now that you know exactly what to do. All right, and help yourself with it. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.